Hey, hey! I'm Marina Gattefohler. I'm a healer, I'm a seer, I'm a multidimensional being. I'm a starseed, of course, and I'm the admin of Doug Touring Group. I have a story to tell you today. Okay, something which happened to me the last couple of days, and I was wondering what's going on. But not everything which goes wrong means it's wrong, right? So, I'm going to share this story with you. I'm German, half Sri Lankan, but I live in Mexico the last 9 months. So the last couple of days, a lot of things happened. I have a German SIM card, which I'm paying 20 euros every month for not using it, just using the number so I can work with my clients. So then I thought, okay, let me see. I want to change the contract. So I called them. It's a big company in Germany. We are with them for many years and they're doing good work. So I called them and the guy on the phone said, you know what? We have to send you a new SIM card and you cannot change the contract. So we have to give you a new SIM card and then you can get the old number and put it to the new. So he charged me a lot of money for that, but then I thought, okay, it's worth it if he charges me for the new SIM card 6 euros instead of 20 euros every month. Okay, so then I told him, I asked him even, I said, so are you sure? So do I have to call you back and deactivate the old number to activate the new number? How do I get my old number to my new SIM card? He said, yes, don't worry. Okay, so a couple of weeks passed by. I got my SIM card. I called them 2 days ago and then I said, you know what, I have my new SIM card. I just want to activate my new SIM card and I want to put my old number to the new SIM card. That person on the phone said, okay, this is not possible. You have 2 contracts now. The old contract is still running for another 2 months, 10 months. And I'm like, what the heck? But we can annul the second contract and if it's running 10 more months, we can maybe lower the first contract. I said, okay, fine, because I don't want 2 contracts. My goal was to have a SIM card with the least amount of payment. Okay, so he starts talking to me, telling me all the rules and regulation and says, oh, this is for another 2 years. Okay, I interrupted him. I told him, okay, listen, I don't want 14 euros for another 2 years. I want the least amount fresh. He got angry at me, he got pissed and he hung up the phone. And I was like, what the heck is going on? Okay, so I realized something is happening. I didn't know what it is. I didn't know what it meant. He called me on my new phone and then I decided not to pick up and I called again the company and then there was a very nice lady. She explained a lot of things to me and then I said, you know what, I want to complain. I went to bed that day and I was thinking, what about the people who are scared? What about the people who don't have a voice to speak for themselves? What about the people who get ripped off and having to pay for 2 contracts because they don't know what to do? I was really pissed and I was upset and I was angry. So then in the morning I called the customer service and I complained and he was very apologizing. And to be honest, I was very scared. I was like, what I'm supposed to do if he doesn't believe me? But they do recording and I always say, yes, I want a recording. So he said, no, this is not okay and we have to complain about the guy who did sell that to you because it's a lie. He was cheating you. And I said, yes, even the second guy, he wanted to sell me a new contract on the old contract. So please, I want to complain about both of them. He said, yes, absolutely, because they're a very high standard company. They cannot employ those people. Then I felt guilty. And then I thought I should not feel guilty. I did the right thing. Why do I feel guilty? And I was running around with this guilt and that shame. But then today what happened is I went to my chiropractor and he was like clucking my body, bringing it into alignment. And then it was like electricity shock. And he's like, he sat down, he said, Agatha, you know what? And it was so important what he said to me. It was like he was reading my mind. He said, the heart has more than 100 nerves and it connects to your whole body. And I said, yes, that's Naranja, my cat. He wants to be petted. So I said, yes, if my heart chakra and something is emotionally with my heart, my whole body gets disaligned. I know, I'm aware of that. And he said, do you know, the connection to the heaven is always about judgment. And the connection, the root chakra connecting to Mother Earth is about shame and guilt. And then I said, oh my gosh. And then he said, you know, the layers about sexuality, the root chakra, the second chakra, it's already blocked by society, culture, and so many other societies and institutions. So automatically, when you live your full potential, your full power, you feel ashamed, you will feel guilty, and you feel judged, or you feel like you're judging others. But just because you're doing something which is right, you're not judging that person, you're setting healthy boundaries, but still we're feeling ashamed and we feel guilty because we still have that pattern on us in our root chakra that we're not supposed to be in our power. But you're a starseed, you're supposed to be in your power, and that's what's right, that's right, and you should take your power back. So when he explained those things to me, it was like, oh my gosh, it makes so much sense, because a contract you sign is also an energetic contract. And the banks and everyone, I made a video, I will upload it soon. If they take your money, actually they're working with your life source. Have you watched the movie Momo? Watch it, M-O-M-O. Watch it, it's really old, it's amazing. It's by Michael Ende. He also did the Unendless Story. I don't know how it's called in English. Please Google it, watch it. Those are people, the gray men who smoke cigars, and they take the life energy from people because they're signing contracts. So even in the insurance companies, people getting a lot of money just you signing a contract, and it's not their knowledge that they're good. They're good in selling themselves to you trusting them. So it's always about your heart energy. Take your time. If you're signing a contract, tell them, no, you want some more time to think about it. If it feels wrong, don't do it. Listen to your heart. Don't just listen to what they say. And that's the truth. That's your right. It's your birthright to stand up for yourself. It's your birthright to be in your power. It's your birthright to say no to something you don't want. And if they make you feel guilty about your decision, put it back to them. It's not their right to judge you, and it's not their right to take the power from you. Empower yourself, be honest and truthful to yourself, because they have to change, not you. And I know we starseeds, we just do things and we want to be loved, and we want to be not on the edgy side. We don't want to be having conflicts and fights. It doesn't matter. Please start standing up for yourself, because if I wouldn't have complained about this person, he would have done it maybe with elderly people and so many other people, and that's not his right. You know, there are many ways of getting money, because if you get in alignment with your life source, self-worth and self-love, money comes to you. That's how it works. Those open up, miracles happen, and money comes to you in a very healthy, nice, good way. That's what it is. Guys, please, if you have similar experience about getting ripped off or contracts, please write it. I want to know your stories, and please share this video with other people, because I want this world to change. And how do we change this? When we do set healthy boundaries, and when we set boundaries in a way that we have to say no. It's okay, say no if you have to say no, and walk away from people who just are energy vampires. You don't want that, okay? You want to be in alignment with love and nice and caring people. Bye guys and girls, talk to you soon. Do you have any questions? If you have questions, you please ask, but I didn't get any questions. So it's okay, I love you guys. Bye. Oh, I have a YouTube channel. I have a playlist with free healing tools, and then you can work on yourself. I do starseed activation, I do healer activations, because it's a course of 4 weeks or 7 weeks. I want people to step in their own power. I want you to connect with your own source. I don't want you to learn a technique which everyone does, because you're unique, you're special. I'm doing this activation so that you can rely on yourself. This is so important. It will help you to be more strong from inside. It will help you to trust yourself. It will help you to activate and remember your psychic abilities, and you remember who you are. And this is what